Hi, my name is Ursula and I am the owner of Plantoneonmeyorkshire. Plantoneonmeyorkshire was born about a year ago after wanting to have some feel-goods in Bradford. So everything that feeds the soul, nature, good drinks, nice music, good company, and so became Plantoneonmeyorkshire. This is our second shop. We moved during COVID due to this last shop being taken. And we are on John Street, a great little independent street filled with markets, shopping, good foods, and yeah, we've come along just to add to that. So come along if you fancy it, come and meet some like-minded people, some nice vibes, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Not just a case of coming and picking a plant up.
Yeah, Ursula's very welcoming. The shop is absolutely beautiful. We like the way it's just a very creative space. We've got a good tea, we can have a natter, we can buy a plant, we can speak to Ursula in that really creative part of town.
First shop in Bradford. Come and buy all our plants here. Ursula's fantastic. She tells you everything there is to know about each plant. How often it should be watered, how you can take cuttings from it, and this is probably my 4th visit to the shop since it opened. You can never come to the shop without buying anything, you've always got to buy something. Today I wasn't going to get anything, and I've come with a plant. The plants are grade A plants, so I've never been good with plants, but I've kept all Ursula's plants alive. They're really good quality plants.
You just want to comment on these two nice people that I've known for 25 years. Doing very, very well. I've known Sean, Ursula, all the family, the children, and it's nice to see them putting Bradford in the spotlight again. We need more of this in Bradford. If we had more like this, more people would visit Bradford. Unfortunately we don't, and that's why we're stuck with empty shops.
I remember meeting Ursula well over a year ago when she just had a little hut down at Sunbridge, and then she got her small shop at Sunbridge, and now she's here and I had no plants and I could look after them or anything, and now I've got loads of plants and I can look after them, and coming here is like, call it the jewel Bradford City Centre. It's awesome.
I just could not believe that Bradford finally had a place like this. You know, you see them in the big cool cities, right? And Bradford's a cool city. There's so much culture here and so much going on that it's nice to finally have a place where it grows as the city's growing as well. And she's grown into this new place. And when you come in, plants are so soothing anyway. And I actually have a few as well in my house. So I think I am, on behalf of Bradford, very grateful.
I met Ursula in Plantoneonmeyorkshire. I was walking past, I think I was finishing work, and I was walking past my bus and this shop stood out. The location's different now, but it still stands out far more than it used to do. And I got talking to Ursula and she was very welcoming. My daughter has autism and she just loves coming here and just being around the plants, so I find it a really tranquil place to come and meet friends. And my house is full of plants and they're all from here. Absolutely. Any problems, FaceTime Ursula, she'll talk you through what you need to do and what you're doing wrong. And it's not just a plant shop or a coffee shop, it's actually a nice social place to feel calm and meet new people. And we love it, and we love it's opened again.